200L automatic port filling line. Professional, automated, and efficient. Product name: 200L automatic port filling production line. Application range: the equipment is suitable for chemical, petrochemical, food raw materials, pharmaceutical and other industries. Basic parameters: power supply AC 220V 5060Hz, air source 0.5-0.7 par. Filling volume 100-300 kg, graduation value 0.1 kg. Filling capacity 60-80 barrels H. Filling accuracy less than or equal to 0.1% FS. Filling gun material SUS 30 for SUS 316 PTFE optional. Explosion proof grade X11BT4 optional. Main features: the system adopts PLC programmable control, photoelectric switch positioning, and fully automatic operation. Professional grade filling gun, overall process production, no dripping, anti-splash, quick connector, easy to disassemble and wash. Equipped with double ball valve group and filling gun, large, small, micro 3-stage filling, perfect match, filling accurate and fast. Net weight, gross weight, automatic, manual filling mode, free choice. Automatic peeling, intelligent foolproofing, fault detection, real-time display of equipment information, intelligent and efficient.